Hello everybody, and welcome to this DCA Bot Gap video. So what is this? If you're looking for an efficient way to trade cryptocurrency, what is a good idea? You can look at signals, you can study the market, but sometimes we even fall short. Even copy trading can be difficult because sometimes we don't know who the best copy traders to follow are. But DCA Bot is here to help. We go to Bitsgap.com. Then we can find the DCA bot. And there's different types of bots. There's the DCA bot for trading and rising and falling markets, the S bot, classic, combo bot, and scraper bot. There's also different versions. Now this is still in beta. We can click on this and we can see that it is an open beta stage. So we can go ahead and accept. Now the nice thing about this bot is it explains what to do here. So I can go ahead and start a new bot. After I've done that, I can take a look at what's going on here. I can choose an exchange, Binance, for example, add an API key. Then I can just pair it to different types of pairs here, as we can see here. You can do ADA, I can do Bitcoin, I can do different types of cryptocurrencies. Also, I can put my available balance here. What I like these bots is, if there is an active bot, then I can go ahead and start to make different trades. So it's just as simple as this. I want to pick out different bots right here. We can see the different bots. You can start them. Now you do need to start with an API key, and you do need to open up some information on that. You have the scalper bot here, the combo bot, the classic bot, and then also here we can go to trading. We need to connect at least one exchange, such as Binance. We can also connect different types of exchanges as well. And if you're an experienced trader, this is quite easy to see what this does. Also, you can see the portfolio here, different open orders, positions, history, and notifications. And the place I would start here is adding a new exchange. So you can add Binance, KuCoin, Bittrex. You can even add Coinbase now, Gemini, HBDC, Huboy, Kraken, or Poloniex. And then what you want to do is go to there, go to any of those exchanges. And then after you're done, you can go put the API key, the secret in, and go ahead, connect, and create an account. And that's how you get the bot started. There's also interesting things here we can see. This does give you different notifications, and there is a referral bonus as well. So that's the main idea for this bot. You first want to connect an exchange, then you want to create an account, get a balance, and then choose one of these bots that can do different things. If you want to see the rising or falling markets, again, the DCA bot is the best one. S bot is good for sideways channel. Classic is good with a moderate risk, and combo and scraper bot. And there's even different types of versions that you can try. And then after you've connected your exchange, created your account, and everything is set up, then you can just start a new bot and have this bot trade for you on that exchange. That alleviates all of your problems of trying to say, hey, I'm going to be a trader, but I need to sit there and analyze the market all day. I need to read every article, know every signal. I need to find a good copy trader. I need to figure out all these complex trading problems. No, just use the power of this bot. So I hope Bitsgap Bot gave you a little bit of an idea of the power of this and why this can save you a lot of time and effort, and it's very efficient for trading.